Still saying very good? Let's upgrade your English in less than 1 minute. Welcome to Easy English with MJ. I am Teacher Mary Jane and today is Word Explorer Tuesday. It's time for vocabulary upgrade. Let's stop saying very good and learn words that sound more natural and more impressive. Let's go. Using very good too often can make your English sound less natural. Let's explore some better alternatives. Excellent. Excellent, meaning extremely good. Excellent. Your English pronunciation is excellent. Outstanding. Outstanding, meaning better than almost everyone else. Outstanding. She gave an outstanding presentation. Fantastic. Fantastic, meaning extremely impressive. You did a fantastic job today. Wonderful. Wonderful, meaning very pleasant or enjoyable. You have a wonderful voice. Amazing, meaning very surprising in a positive way. Your progress is amazing. Brilliant, extremely clever or excellent. That was a brilliant idea. Superb, meaning of the highest quality. The food was superb. Impressive, something that makes people admire it. Your confidence is impressive. Exceptional, meaning better than usual. She has exceptional communication skills. Remarkable, worth noticing because it's unusually good. She made remarkable progress in only 3 months. Instead of saying your English is very good, try saying your English is excellent, your English is remarkable, or your English is outstanding. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using excellent, amazing, or brilliant in the comments. I will read some of your examples in my next video. That's today's Word Vocabulary Upgrade on Word Explorer Tuesday. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe to Easy English with MJ, and I will see you next Tuesday with another word to help you speak English more naturally. Bye.